The most important source of inspiration among all the others that led to the creation of this loudspeaker system is the racing cars world. In fact, as you can see, starting from the shapes, the material used, I mean, for example, one of the most important things is the carbon fiber monocoque. I guess for the very first time we used this material to creating a one-piece monocoque for a loudspeaker system, which is done in carbon fiber by the same company making some parts of the Red Bull Formula 1 car. On the other hand, we use something which is very linked to our tradition, because we use Val di Fiemme wood, which is the wood which was used by Stradivari to build up his violins. And it grows up not far away from here. Under the electroacoustical point of view, we aim at 4 particular targets. We aim at the resolution, we aim at transparency, we aim at speed, and we aim at control. We aim at to realize a concept which is slightly different than a traditional Sonus Faber speaker, because rather than being a musical instrument, right here we are dealing with a precision instrument. That's why we pushed the most that we could the research and development process to realize the most revealing driver units ever, I believe. We wanted to achieve the maximum dynamic. That's why we use materials like a sandwich carbon fiber cone. I can show you right there. Please. This is the active front woofer, which is the cone itself is a sandwich construction with 2 skins of carbon fiber and Rossel in between for idle damping. The chassis is made of ergal aluminum and gunmetal, because those 2 materials, when coupled together, they raise their own mutual resonances. This is something I really care, because for the very first time in high-end history, we made this particular diaphragm for the tweeter, which is a beryllium with a diamond carbon coating, achieving this way the lightness of beryllium, but making it even stiffer, raising its resonance frequency, and so avoiding, the bad coloration typically available on metal domes. And I really care to say that this is the first time in hi-fi history that this kind of treatment is done into a dome diaphragm. What else? The crossover, it is a paracross design. I mean, it is a semi-balanced crossover. It features filtering components on both the positive and negative rail of the crossover. It is totally hardwired point to point without using any PCB. It is done by me, so I am making the crossovers. Well, it's amazing speaker. It's we wanted to do something special for our 30th birthday. This is Ex3ma.